guys, this is a free haul. Oh my gosh, what a great day of shopping over at Walgreens. And I'd like to wish all of you a very happy 4th of July. Walgreens today, and it was absolutely fantastic. I'm really loving my deals. Everything went perfectly today, so I need to buy a lotto ticket. It went really well. And then we have a little deal over at Meijer to get these highliner. It's like supposed to be like a chicken wing, but it's with pollock, Alaskan wild pollock for 99 cents, which is a killer deal for fish. Okay, so we're going to talk about that at the end. And a weather report for you guys, anywhere between 95 to 100 degrees. Water breaks and sunscreen if you're outside. It is excruciating out there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's staying cool. Okay, let's talk about the curbside deal I was talking about this morning. This is not gonna do because we're gonna get really strict, so we're gonna need this today. Okay, so, and I'm sorry there's a bit of a red tinge. My camera's just doing some funny stuff. Let's see. I don't even have anything white to do a color. That's why it looks like my skin's all messed up, but everything's kind of pink tinge. Apologies about that, but you guys will figure it out. It's about the merchandise, not about the color grade. Okay, I made a video about this morning. I think the IBOTTA rebates for all the Revlon are gone. I saw people really upset over on Instagram, so I think that's gone. But if you were able to do it, a little bit of money back from IBOTTA. If you couldn't do it, it's still like really inexpensive makeup, which is like, you know, just look at the bigger picture. Inexpensive makeup is still pretty cool. So let's just go through this. I did this as a curbside pickup, so they're on a buy one get one 50% off promotion. So for the two, it was $5.53. I had an 8 off of 2 digital, so I just paid down the tax. There is no overage over there, and I was able to get my IBOTTA rebate. It was $3 back for each, so this was free, plus a $6 money maker for me. You know what I would do? Even if you couldn't get the IBOTTA rebate, I know that the verbiage in some places, it was on any Revlon lip. Some excluded this Kiss Bomb. I know in the Midwest, a lot of us, it was any, myself and Dawn, that's what our rebates look like. So either way, it's still a great deal. I would check as the week progresses. Maybe it'll pop up on Wednesday or Thursday. You never know. And just keep looking. Maybe you'll get the same rebate as but like $6 moneymaker, I'm all about it. Where's her foundation? My store unfortunately did not have those little packs, so I could not do the deal. But those are the breaks. Okay guys, and if you look at these little stickers in store, if you in fact were able to do both the foundation and the lip balm or whatever, lipstick, whatever, well, if you'd spend $12, even factoring in coupons, you would get back a $4 register reward, and these lip balms and those foundation packs were part of it. So just a little bit of something to throw your way if you were able to, you know, to do that and you got that $4 register reward. That is why. So how great is this deal? This is a really great deal, and I got 2 of the sunscreens and 1 of this coconut oil. I really got a really bad burn, so I thought maybe this might help or something like that. Who knows? But I just thought I would get 2 sunscreens and then try something a little different with this coconut oil. So these guys this week are $7. If you buy 3 of them, that's $21. Now I had that booster of spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So that's a digital, and what I did, guys, was I had a $3 digital, 2 of them, and then I had 1 $2 coupon. There's also tons of hang tags for this specific product in the store. So however you can slice it or dice it, if you want to do this deal, you know, there's ways to do it to find coupons with. The $8 of coupons, guys, I paid 13 out of pocket. I got back $5 of Walgreens cash for spending 20. I got back this store coupon for doing the weekly deal of buy 3, get back 5. And then IBOTTA has a $2 rebate that you can do twice. So I got back an extra $4. So it made this free plus a $1 money maker. Okay, so let's talk about the Blue Diamond Extreme Almonds. In store, these guys were $4.99. Curbside, they were a little bit cheaper. So, man, I kind of messed that one up, but it's not the end of the world. So, $4.99, buy one, get one for free. And then we had $1.50 off of two, so I had to pay $3.49. I just used a bit of Walgreens cash. And then Fetch Rewards is giving back $1 for each, so it made it $1.49 for the two. As these are really extreme, like hot, hot flavors, I have a father-in-law. This will be totally up his alley, so I am definitely going to be gifting these to him. And if you look in the back, they are good till April 9th of 2024. So yeah, if you really like hot stuff, this is something for you, and this will be a great gift for him. He's probably going to laugh quite a bit. Okay, so Mr. Irish Spring is $3.99. I went with the bar soap because at Walgreens we barely get deals on bar soap like this. So $3.99, we have a $3.50 digital coupon, which is generous and amazing. You'll pay 49 cents, so that is one per store card, and I really like that one. I picked up 4 of these soft soaps and they're $1.99 each. So for 4 of them, it's $7.96. No digitals though, but I did use the store register reward that I had from last week. But I'm not going to talk about that because not everybody has the same thing. Anyhow, $7.96, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and IBOTTA is giving back 50 cents for each, so that's an extra $2. It shakes it out to $1.96 for the 4, or 49 cents each, which is a really good price point. My mother-in-law loves anything with lavender, so this will be like a fantastic thing to gift her in the future. She'll be so happy. Angel Soft is $3.99. We have a 50-cent digital, dropping it down to $3.49. And again, as I stated, I used a bit of like Walgreens cash, and then I used some register rewards, just rolling them into something else. And to get this for points, I'm all about that. And look at how large these rolls are, guys. Like, this is toilet paper for probably the end of the summer, so much. Anyhow, I'm really delighted with my little haul here today. I'll absolutely go back and do some more deals, but I'm very delighted with what I got. And I just rolled a bunch of Walgreens cash from A to B to C and what I had, and I'm able to get all this stuff. The deals are great, but if you're out there spending time with family and really enjoying your 4th of July, by all means do that. There's nothing to really run for unless you were trying to do the Revlon with IBOTTA, then absolutely that's, a thing to go and do. But everything else, it will be there for the rest of the week, so there's nothing to really run for. All spectacular deals. At the very least, if you are into sunscreen, and this is one deal to do, especially if you have the spend 20 get back 5, because $1 moneymaker, I'm all about that. I just want to show you guys my receipt. I did couple everything together in one big basket, and as you can see, I used a $5 store coupon, which is a register reward, a $6 register reward, and the rest are digitals. And then I also threw in $5 of Walgreens cash, so I paid 16 cents. I got back 2 for the soft soap from IBOTTA, 2 back from Fetch Rewards, and then I got back an extra 4 for the deal with the hand soap. So that is pretty good any way you slice it or dice it. And what a really smart way to use store coupons and register rewards to get it into something else. If it's IBOTTA money or Fetch money, or $4 back in Walgreens cash. So just wanted to share this with you. I did it as one big deal and it worked out well. And then Also, while I was looking for that sunscreen, I turned around and look what I found. Display of all of the Toms of Maine. So I couldn't find the kids' toothpaste, and then boom, there it all is. And I was like, oh, that's really nice. So you might look for this in the makeup section or the beauty counter area. They had a whole bunch of stuff. The last store that we have is Meijer, which is predominantly in the Midwest. Sorry guys, there is no sister store to Meijer. So this guy is on clearance for $3.49, and clearance at Meijer is always your mileage may vary, but if you are in the state of Michigan, it might be the same as my store for whatever reason. There's a $1 M perk on this guy, so it drop it down to $2.49. Fetch Rewards has a 1,500 point rebate on this guy, which is basically like $1.50, so it drops it down to 99 cents after everything is said and done. Now, if you wanted to grab a couple of boxes to do this rebate multiple times, just note something guys, you absolutely have to do it once per transaction or once per receipt, because they're very strict about it for this one over at Meijer. And am I losing my mind or something? But this is called Highliner. Was he not a captain at one point? And what happened? Did he get demoted or something? Like, what happened? I thought it was Captain Highliner. Or is that how they market it up in Canada, where I'm from? But I don't remember it just being Highliner. But who knows? Maybe that's a mystery that they'll resolve one day. But these are really yummy. I made some like fish tacos today with this, and hubby was so delighted. It really had a lot of flavor to it. So anyhow, guys, happy 4th, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!